choo 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 choo. In this video, I wanted to show you guys what kind of a stationery hoarder I am. Everything that I've collected so far, I've placed inside this cabinet. एक point पे I had like maybe 15-20 oil pastels, like new untouched boxes. It's a little unhealthy. I hope you guys enjoy. We'll start with drawer 1. इस ड्रॉअर में तो कचरा रखा हुआ है ऑनेस्टली, एंड ये बहुत गंदा भी हो रहा है. रैंडम ट्रैवल पाउच, पिंक स्पार्कली पाउच फ्रॉम टाइपो, सुशी शेप्ड इरेजर, सो क्यूट. आकाश ने अपना कचरा भी रखा हुआ है इसके अंदर. ही इज रियली फॉन्ड ऑफ दीज पजल्स. ये सब आकाश का कचरा है. cutter, scissors, pins and pins, ouch, pins. So this was drawer 1 for you. Okay, I have some patches for my jacket. Then we have masking tape, clear tape, and a lot of rulers. ये डिफरेंट फर्नीचर बनाने के लिए है. बहुत सारे स्केल्स रखे हैं मेरे पास. ये रखा है. देन दिस इज़ लाइक अ प्रोट्रैक्टर, बट लाइक अ फुल सर्कल प्रोट्रैक्टर. दिस इज़ whatever angle you want to make, you can like set it there, like the wheel rotates and you can set your angle and then you can make your lines. For stationery lovers, Japan is the place. Second drawer done. I love wooden furniture. Okay, this has random keychains and it has just random keychains. And my fabric. This is like a box for your paint brushes. You can keep your paint brushes in this, and यहाँ पे you can keep your paints and छोटू सा एक palette. Moving on, different kinds of pens and sharpies and neon markers, friction markers. This is like a brush pen. It has that swoosh effect when you write. 5, 6, 7 different colors. Then sharpies तो अभी मैंने खोले भी नहीं है, पर ये भी neon sharpies हैं. These are fluorescent under black light. ठीक है. Let me know if you want to see me create something using these sharpies. Okay, so that is drawer number 4 for you. Drawer number 5. इसमें क्या सामान रखा है? Brushes and brushes, different sized brushes. So I have a flat brush, I have a small flat brush, I have round brushes, I have wall brush, wall painting wala brush. Right under my paintbrush drawer, I have kept my paints drawer. This has a lot of different kinds of paints. I have that watercolor cakes ka set, which I have barely used. I have my acrylic paints, and I have a palette which I need to throw away because I got a better one, and this is just now disgusting. What is this? Glass beads. This is also some texture paint that Dad got for me. I haven't even opened it yet. Then a lot of tubes and tubes and tubes. I can't do this. This is for opening up envelopes. This is what? These are book rings. Yeah. look at this gold medal. ये मेरे भाई को मिला था. Gold medal for continuous academic excellence. I hope you guys can read. Wow, मुझे तो नहीं मिला. ये आकाश ही कर सकता था. I'm still getting some PTSD after seeing this. Now I'm going to show you. This is like my unhealthy hoarding Pro Max. Look, all of these are erasers. This is like the best eraser that I have ever used. You forget all other things when you go to Japan stationery. Get one of these for yourself. If anybody wants any stationery recommendations, feel free. Okay. Drawer number 8 has all of my different kinds of color pencils, shading pencils, oil pastels, wax crayons. These are from Japan. भाई इतने प्यारे डब्बे बनाते हैं ना. Like this is how you open it. This stuff and then it opens and oh my god. This I've used a little. Look at this. Does this not satisfy your soul? Oh, see, I love colors. I'm so in love with feeling the paper, feeling the canvas, feeling the colors in my hands. It just brings so much joy to me. Then this is another Japanese plastic crayons box. Bro, I have such cute stuff. Like I want an office जहाँ पे ना I put all of this on display. Oh my god, just look at this. Like look at this. Is this not satisfying? 4H, 3H, 2H, H, F, HB, B, 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B pencils. Staedtler does really good pencils, really good. Then we have something very, very cute. This is my Sakura oil pastels. Ooh, look at that. Have you seen anything more satisfying than this? I know I'm probably, this is the 50th time I'm saying this, but oh my god. Then we have my Staedtler color pencil set. Wow, even this is so satisfying. अरे यार, बंद हो जा. Then these are soft pastels, black wale I think. This is like a solid graphite piece. Then we have a bigger set of soft pastels. Wow. Oh my god. These are pencils, mango pencils. Wow. Oh my god. This is not going anywhere. This I'm going to use for sure. ये क्या है? Wax pastels. I do not use that much. All of this is going to be in my office whenever I have one. You will see all of these there. Drawer number 9, I'm just going to give you like a quick run through of what this drawer has. So this has all the model making things that my dad got for me from Japan. This has like fake grass, and I have a lot of tiny humans for models, clay for making tiny pebbles, and tiny humans ke stickers, and yeah, lot of human figures. भाई कितना सामान है मेरे पास. This tiny drawer has tapes and stapler pins and a stapler and all of that shenanigans. और सब में इतना सामान है नहीं. I think this has just some electronics. बस wires ही हैं इसके अंदर. I have a bowl full of pins. This is something cool that I will show you. This is also something very cool. This is a sharpener which is probably as old as I am, and then I have another heavy duty cutter. This is something that is pretty cool. This I'll show you properly. This is like a foldable cutting mat. You can open it like this and it becomes a flat surface. This is fabric paint. मेरे पास ये भी रखा था. And done. And this is something that I made like quite a long time ago. This is a stapler. Look. How cool is that? These are stapled together. How cool is that? This is a flexible curve scale. It can take any form. अलग अलग shape में इसको mold करके इसका पूरा पेरीमीटर ले सकती हूँ. And then this is something pretty interesting. So it has a zip पीछे and then सामने it has like these layers and layers of elastic bands. Yeah, this will also be a part of my office whenever I have one. Shoot for the stars and you'll reach the sky. So that was that. I hope you guys enjoyed. That was my entire stationery cabinet, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.